Hello everyone, I hereby discussing the most important reactions in the organic chemistry that might come in your JEE Mains plus Advanced as well as in NEET also. So the first reaction is penacol-penacolone rearrangement. Let us take a look to the mechanism of this reaction. Simply writing the compound once again. pH CCS3 OH CCS3OH pH is reacted in the presence of H plus. So from here the OH react with H plus and form water, which is removed. So what is the product remains? So here the carbocation formed. So this carbocation is unstable. So here the 3-degree carbocation is more stable than the 2-degree carbocation. So the migration power of phenyl is greater than the CS3. So that the phenyl migrated and joined at this carbocation. So what happens? This phenyl group is joined at this carbocation and another carbocation formed. So what happens? We have used H plus as catalyst, so we have to release it again. So the oxygen is a best living group. So from here the hydrogen H plus is removed and the double bond is formed. So the catalyst is removed and the final product is formed. That is your answer. Now move to the next reaction, that is Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. Here phenol react with NaOH in the presence of CO2 and acid to give salicylic acid. I hope you have no doubt till. So here due to resonance this product is converted into the C double bond O and the negative sign comes to the benzene ring. Now what happens? The CO2 react with this ion to form the another compound, that is O C double bond O negative. Now here due to tautomerization, now the tautomerization takes place, in which the hydrogen at this site interact with oxygen and this bond will break. And the double bond comes into the benzene ring. So the reaction proceed in such a way. Now the final product comes and that is your answer, salicylic acid. Now move to the next reaction, that is aldol condensation. In this the acetaldehyde react with base and in the presence of heat to give such a compound. The mechanism is the acetaldehyde react with the base and the water is removed. So the remaining compound comes to be, now here the 2 mole react. So the another mole comes and react with the previous one. So the negative charge donated there. Now in the presence of H plus, HCOH CS2 COH CH3, and in the presence of heat the water is removed and the final product comes out. Yeah, I hope you have no doubt till here. So the final product is in the form of double bond. Thank you.